Exiting guests, please lift up on your safety harness and exit carefully to your right. Thank you for riding Alpengeist and enjoy the rest of your day at Busch Gardens.
That's actually funny, this ride was supposed to have 9 rows.
Ride the Intimidator 305?
Oh, I've been on it, yeah.
Ride it before they modified it?
No.
I did.
Really?
First trip was there, yeah.
Vinny.
It was way intense.
He rode the original Intimidator. Oh my god.
Before they changed it.
Wow.
I also rode Track and Fire when it was here.
I wish I got to ride that. That was way before I became addicted to coasters. I didn't become crazy over them until 2011.
I'm glad to see that Big Bad Wolf is coming back.
I think a lot of us are.
Crazy.
They were teasing it in Loch Ness Monster. There's a poster for Big Bad Wolf. I know the lore for that ride's gonna be crazy.
Going down.
Yay, no trims. Woohoo!
Really good, really good.
That was incredible.
It's so much faster when it gets colder.
Really?
Feels like it does.
I rode this ride in like 90 degrees on a summer day. And that was like years after my first ride on it.
Okay.
Took my breath away.
Alright, sounds good. I'll see you at Marco Polo.
Thank you for riding Alpengeist and enjoy the rest of your day at Busch Gardens.